Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into something super exciting, that is Copilot in Microsoft Power BI. If you have ever wished Power BI could just understand what you want and help you build reports faster, then you are going to love this. Okay? Copilot is an AI powered assistant that helps you work with data more efficiently. Whether you are preparing a semantic model or creating a stunning reports, Copilot can save you a tons of time by generating insights, visuals, and even dance formulas, okay, all through the natural language. In this video, we will explore how to use Copilot in Power BI to make report and model development easier, okay, and how you can prepare your data so your organization can interact it using a simple everyday language. Okay, in the next video we will know how to use the copilot in Power BI to make your data analysis faster, smarter, and way more effective. Okay, thank you.